To the Celebrity Cricket League 2012 match number 14. Karnataka Bulldozers taking up Kerala Strikers. Manikuttin from the Kerala Strikers, who was so good yesterday, has got the ball in his hand. He was bowled well yesterday, got some runs and caught some splendid catches. Manikuttin. It's an important game, as we say. It's the virtual quarter-finals in this Celebrity Cricket League. Whoever wins this game will go through the semi-finals. Just waiting for the signal from the umpires. There you go. So the first ball coming up of this virtual quarter-finals. A full toss to start with. And start off really well. They pick up a single on the first delivery. It's time to say good afternoon to my co-commentator, Saba Karim.
Cheers Amal, and good afternoon to all the viewers. Yes, this is a virtual quarter-final. The team that wins this game goes through to the semi-final. And the other side, they'll have to wait for the other results to come through. And that will depend on their net run rate. At this stage, it is the Bulldozers who won the toss and they've decided to bat first. It is Rajiv and Bhaskar who have come out to open the innings. Bhaskar took first strike and he's off the mark. He's got a runner. But Rajiv plays a key role for his side. He's an ebullient character, very good bat, very good all-rounder. He's a live wire on the field. He can hit well, he can play the big shots. It's a good move from the Bulldozers to give him as many opportunities to score against the Strikers.
Manikuttin, who's got the ball in his hand. We saw yesterday he got some swing, away swing from the right-handers. I mean, Rajiv, that's his average for CCL 2012, about 41. That's good strike rate as well. Now this time he cuts it and cuts it hard and goes through the point region, and he collects the first boundary for Karnataka Bulldozer.
That's what he's capable of. Rajiv is a good timer off the ball. He uses the pace of the delivery from Manikuttin and plays it on the offside. He finds the gap. The player at third man was quite fine. It's a good wicket to bat. That's the dugout of the Bulldozers. You can play shots on trust. There's a consistent bounce on this track. Goes again, gets some more runs. Oh, excellent work by the fielder at back foot point.
This time he cut it hard, and this time the point fielder just did a diving effort. This has been a special feature of this CCL, the intensity of all the players. Bhaskar is on strike now. He got first run of the first delivery. Bhaskar, he has played a lot of club cricket in Karnataka. I was told by my co-commentator Rohan Gavaskar he plays for State Bank of India. Slight hint of swing there. There's a hesitation. And they run for an overthrow. In the end, they get 2. 1 over gone. It's 8 without loss.